Good morning, colleagues. Well, we're certainly living in extraordinary times, and we know that you've been delivering, either in our offices or in our schools, extraordinary measures to ensure that our students have felt cared for and safe and have had a continuity of learning. And we're enormously grateful for all of those efforts. But we know those efforts come at some personal cost to our well-being. And we've heard that in the survey that so many of you participated in earlier this term. So I'm here today to announce that in response to that survey, we're rolling out a series of wellbeing workshops for all staff to be able to participate in. I strongly encourage you to take up this offer of a workshop because they've been particularly designed to provide tips and strategies and various types of support to assist you in supporting your well-being, but also so that you're able to support the well-being of others, your colleagues and family and friends. And this is something you told us that you'd really like to be able to do more of. So you're able to register for the workshops, and that can be done through the ESS system. And I'd also remind you that on the COVID-19 Staff Hub, you can also find a lot of other links to resources that can assist with mental health and wellbeing support. And that includes our confidential free counselling service that is provided to you and family members by your employer. So again, I just want to give you our great thanks for all that you are doing. And while we remain vigilant, I pray that as a country we are through the worst of this crisis, and I wish you and your families health and safety in the coming weeks and months. Take care.